Our adventure begins. Hello, amazing explorers of knowledge. Today we are going to talk about something super exciting. We are diving into the wonderful world of educational games. Have you ever wondered what they are, these brilliant tools for our brains? Well, it's quite simple really, and incredibly fun to discover. Educational games are special games cleverly designed by smart people specifically to help us learn new things while we are having an absolutely brilliant time. They cleverly mix the sheer fun of playing games with the amazing brilliance of learning new facts and skills. So, you get to have a fantastic time, maybe even an epic adventure, all while your brain gets a fantastic workout and grows stronger. Isn't that just the coolest idea ever for discovering new skills and fascinating facts about our world? These games are like secret teachers, but much more playful and interactive. Imagine learning about numbers, letters, or even planets, not from a boring textbook, but through an exciting quest or a colourful puzzle. That's the magic of educational games. They make learning feel less like a chore and more like an adventure you actually want to go on. You might be solving mysteries, building amazing worlds, or helping cute characters achieve their goals. And all this time, without even noticing it sometimes, you are soaking up new information and practicing important skills that will help you in school and in life. It's a very clever way to learn, don't you think? The fantastic thing about educational games is that they can cover so many different subjects. There's a game for almost anything you can think of learning about. You can find games that help you with your maths, making numbers friendly and fun. There are word games that boost your vocabulary and help you become a spelling superstar. Science games can take you on virtual field trips to explore the human body, the deepest oceans, or even outer space. History games can transport you back in time to meet famous people and learn about amazing events. The possibilities are truly endless, and there's always something new and exciting to discover with these great tools. And guess what? Educational games aren't just for very little kids who are just starting school. Oh no, they are for everyone, no matter how old you are. There are educational games designed for toddlers, for primary school children, for teenagers studying for their exams, and even for grown-ups who want to keep their brains sharp and learn new things. Learning is a lifelong adventure after all. So whether you're 5 or 55, there's an educational game out there that can make learning something new a really enjoyable and engaging experience for you. It's never too late to play and learn something fascinating. Let's talk about some brilliant examples of educational games you might find. For all you number ninjas, or those who want to become one, there are amazing math puzzle games. These can help you practice counting, learn your addition and subtraction, or even tackle tricky multiplication and division in a way that feels like solving a secret code. Imagine building a city with blocks you earn by solving math problems. Then there are wonderful word games. These are perfect for expanding your vocabulary, mastering tricky spellings, and becoming a super storyteller. You could be unscrambling letters to make words, or going on a word search adventure to find hidden treasures of language. Beyond maths and words, the universe of educational games expands even further. Science games are absolutely fantastic for curious minds. You could explore the amazing human body, learning about bones and muscles, or dive deep into the ocean to discover incredible sea creatures. Some science games even let you conduct virtual experiments, mixing potions or building circuits, all without any mess. Geography games can whisk you away on a trip around the globe. You can learn to identify different countries on a map, discover famous landmarks, or understand different cultures and environments. It's like being a world explorer from your own home, discovering new places and people. Now, let's do a little walkthrough of a super popular educational game called Prodigy Math Game. It's a fantastic adventure that many children absolutely love, and for good reason too. First, when you start playing Prodigy, you get to create your very own cool wizard character. This is always lots of fun because you can choose their name, how they look, and even pick out some funky outfits for them. This character will be your avatar, your representative in the magical world of Prodigy. It makes the game feel really personal and helps you get right into the adventure from the very beginning. Once your wizard is ready, You step into a vibrant and magical online world filled with exciting quests, mysterious places to explore, and other players too. The core of the game involves engaging in magical battles against mischievous monsters. But here's the clever part. To cast your spells and win these battles, you need to correctly answer math questions. The questions are tailored to your learning level, so they are challenging but not too hard. As you answer questions and win battles, you earn rewards, level up your wizard, and unlock new areas and cool items. It's a brilliant way to practice math without it feeling like practice at all. One of the most brilliant things about educational games is how they make learning incredibly fun. Think about it. Would you rather stare at a page full of sums or go on an epic quest where solving those sums helps you defeat a dragon and save the kingdom? Most of us would choose the dragon, right? Games have stories, characters, challenges and rewards, all of which make us want to keep playing. This engagement is super important because when we are having fun, our brains are more open to soaking up new information. It doesn't feel like boring homework. It feels like an exciting playtime adventure where learning is a happy side effect. Educational games also have this amazing knack for making tricky subjects much easier to understand. Sometimes ideas can seem really complicated when you just read about them in a book or hear someone explain them. But games can show you these ideas in action. They use colourful graphics, animations, and interactive elements that let you see how things work. For example, a science game might let you build a virtual ecosystem and see how plants and animals depend on each other. This hands-on, visual approach can make abstract concepts click in your brain much more easily than traditional methods ever could. It's like seeing the idea come to life right before your eyes. Another wonderful benefit of playing educational games is how they can boost your confidence. When you're learning something new, it's normal to make mistakes sometimes. In a classroom, this might feel a bit embarrassing. But in a game, making a mistake is often just part of the learning process. You can try again, learn from what went wrong, and then feel a huge sense of achievement when you finally nail it. Getting questions right, completing levels, or earning virtual rewards in a game feels really great. This positive reinforcement encourages you to keep trying and builds your belief in your own abilities, making you a more confident learner overall. And it's not just about specific subjects like math or science. Educational games can also help you develop other super important skills. Many games require you to think strategically, plan your moves, and solve complex problems to progress. This is fantastic for developing your problem-solving skills and critical thinking. Some games might involve puzzles that need logical deduction, while others might encourage creativity as you build or design things. These are all valuable skills that will help you in all areas of your life, from school projects to future jobs, all learned in a playful and engaging environment. It's a win-win situation for your brain. So how do you choose a really good educational game that's just right for you or your child? Well, the first thing to think about is what you actually want to learn or practice. Are you looking to get better at spelling, or are you curious about dinosaurs? Knowing your goal will help you narrow down the choices because there are so many games out there. Also, consider the type of game you enjoy. Do you like fast-paced action, or do you prefer slower, more thoughtful puzzles? Finding a game that matches your interests will make the learning experience even more enjoyable and effective for everyone involved. Next up, it's a good idea to check the age range the game is designed for. You want a game that's challenging enough to be interesting, but not so difficult that it becomes frustrating. Many games will clearly state the recommended ages. Reading reviews from other players, parents, or teachers can also be super helpful. They can give you an idea of how engaging the game is, whether it actually teaches what it promises, and if it's easy to use. Look for games that have clear instructions, appealing graphics, and offer positive feedback to keep learners motivated on their educational journey through play. Don't be afraid to try out a few different types of educational games. Just like with food, you might not know what your favorite is until you've tasted a few different things. You might discover a passion for coding through a game that teaches basic programming. Or you might find that a historical adventure game makes you super interested in the past. Many educational games offer free trials or demo versions, so you can give them a go before committing. Exploring different options can lead you to find a new favorite subject or a new way of learning that really clicks with you, opening up a whole new world of knowledge. Finally, why should everyone try learning with games? Because it's simply a fantastic, engaging and effective way to grow your amazing brain. Educational games transform learning from a passive activity into an active adventure. They empower you to explore, discover and experiment in a safe and fun environment. They can spark curiosity, build essential skills and foster a lifelong love of learning. So whether you're young or just young at heart, I really encourage you to dive into the world of educational games. You might be surprised at how much fun you can have while becoming even brainier. Learning truly can be the best game of all.